Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 5.3J, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, or unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a dog groomer, doesn't have much shampoo left, only 1/6 of a bottle left. So that's what's represented right here. So we've got 1/6 of the entire bottle left. You see there's 6 portions if we're looking vertically, and there's only 1/6 that has any type of shading in there. Now, she's going to divide this equally among 4 dogs. Now, let's pause right there because when we say divided equally, that lets us know that we are dealing with equal group because we have an equal group statement that lets us know that we're dealing with the same number in each group. Now, equal groups either deals with multiplication or division. In this case, it says we're going to divide it equally, so we are going to divide. But we would know that either way because when we have the total given to us, that means we're always going to divide. It's when you're looking for the total is when you multiply. And even though this 1/6 is a small number and it's less than a whole, that's the total. That's all the shampoo that we have. We're not getting any more shampoo. We're going to take the small amount of shampoo that we have. We're going to split it even more into smaller and smaller pieces. So that's our total. We're going to divide it equally, and then we're going to divide it among 4 dogs. So each of these dogs is going to act like a group. So number of groups. And each of them are going to get a small little amount of this shampoo. And so what fraction of the bottle does each dog receive? Okay, so now we're looking for the number in each group. How much of that shampoo does each of the 4 dogs get? Well, we can represent this with a strip diagram that can help us with an equation to actually help solve the problem. So when we divide, right, we're going to start with our total. And so let's draw a strip diagram like this. All right, I'm going to put my total on the bottom. You could put it on the top if you want. Lots of different ways to show this. And it's going to look a little strange because it's not a whole number, it's a fraction, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be a whole number. Then I'm going to split this into 4 equal groups. All right, so there's my 4 equal groups. And there we go. I'm looking for how much is in each of these groups. So if I wanted to turn this into a division problem, I would say this is going to be 1/6, and I'm going to divide this into 4 equal groups. And then that's going to get me the number in each group, which is what I'm looking for. What fraction of the bottle does each dog receive? So we can use the model, but we can also use our algebraic understanding to solve this. Let's use the model since we have it here. Okay, so this 1/6 right here, this what I've already outlined, that's the bottle. That's how much is left. But then what the groomer is going to do is she's going to take this bottle and she's going to see these lines right here. These lines split the remaining amount into the 4 equal pieces. Those are the 4 dogs. Okay, so dog, 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 and dog. So how much does each dog receive? So now I'm looking for this right here. How much is that? Well, it's going to be 1 piece out of how many? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, but you got to go all the way across. So now I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. It looks like I've got 1 out of 24. Now, how could I do that without a picture? Well, when you divide by a whole number, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay? So we're going to multiply, and then we're going to take this 4. Imagine it is 4 over 1. Any whole number can be a fraction if you put it over 1. The reciprocal is flipping it upside down. When we multiply fractions, you could just multiply straight across. Numerator times numerator, 1. Denominator times denominator, 24. So each dog only receives 1/24 D.